My name is Dina, and I am an early childhood education instructor and educator with over 15 years of experience. I joined Canada College in 2020, bringing my expertise and passion for ECE. My focus is always on preparing future educators by integrating theoretical knowledge with the practical experience and equip them with the skills needed to create meaningful learning experience for younger children. I believe the program equips students with a diverse set of skills essential for success in ECE. Hands-on activity, discussion, and reflection help build their confidence and prepare them to implement different teaching approach. Students develop strong communication, problem solving, and classroom management skills while gaining a deep understanding of child development and inclusive education. Our program bridges the gap between theory and practice, ensuring that graduates are well prepared for the workplace. Through a structured internship component, students gain real-world experience in a professional childcare setting, allowing them to apply their knowledge. Also, earning a recognized certificate enhance their chances, making them highly competitive in the job market. Graduates of our program have excellent career opportunities. The internship experience often lead directly to job offers as the students demonstrate their capabilities in real-world setting. Career opportunities include position in daycare centers, preschools, early learning centers, and private and educational setting. So if you are passionate about ECE, please join our team.